Hello everyone, hope you are well. In this video, I will show you how to create Google Tag Manager and connect with your WordPress website and then enable data layer. Okay, so first of all, I type here Google Tag Manager and then click on this link. Okay, now create account and type here account name. I write here my website name Mehedi. This is my practice purpose website. You write here your business name. Okay, then select my country Bangladesh. Okay, then container name, and select web and then create. I accept all terms and condition, then yes. Okay, this is a Google Tag Manager container. Now we will connect Google Tag Manager with our website. We connect Google Tag Manager with our website two ways. The first way is Google Tag Manager code and the second way is Google Tag Manager ID. I click here and I see here a Google Tag Manager code. Here Google says paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. So we copy this code and put on this code in our website header section. Okay, so first of all I copy this code and go to WordPress website backend WP admin. Here I click appearance and then theme file editor. Then I go to the header section header.php. Okay, click here and this is the head section of our website. We put this code in the head section. And then update file. We can also connect GTM by free plugin. Okay, so first of all I click plugin and then add new plugin and search here GTM for WP and GTM for WP. This is our free plugin for connect GTM code. Okay, then install now and active. Okay, then we click GTM for WP settings and paste here the Google Tag Manager ID. Okay, now I go to my Google Tag Manager account and click here and this is our Google Tag Manager ID. Okay, copy this ID and paste here, then save changes. Okay, on, then again save changes. Okay, now I am enable our data layer. So first of all I click integration and then WooCommerce. Okay, here I tick mark track e-commerce and customer data in data layer. Okay, then save changes. Now I check this website Google Tag Assistant and here show Google Tag found the GTM and the last digit is 862. Okay, here we see that our GTM ID is GTM and last digit is 826. So we successfully connected our GTM container to our website. Okay guys, thank you for watching for this video. If you have any question or any problem, please message me or comment below. Thank you.